Hello, everybody. I'm Muhammad Zubair Yusuf, and I warmly welcome you to this wonderful course of virology, where we're going to learn and discuss almost everything about the viruses. Let's enjoy this course together and learn how viruses really get viral. I'm a graduate of Center of Excellence in Molecular Biology, University of the Punjab, Lahore, and my specialization is in cellular and viral infections, about which I had postdoc trainings in Peking University, China, and world famous Wuhan Institute of Virology in China. Students will learn this amazing course of virology with a clear objective of understanding the viruses and their interactions with the cells and organisms. Students will get knowledge about these simplest creatures having smallest structures of perfectly assembled components. Students will be equipped with the information how viruses are composed of O-steroid enveloped proteins and a tightly packed metastable capsid and a wonderful collection of genes in their variety of nucleic acids. The incredible types and classes of these stunning little machines will be studied comprehensively. Updated and advanced research will be shared with students how viruses spread, approach, attach, fuse, and enter the host cells. Students will learn the concepts of hijacking the cellular machinery for the production of new progeny of the viruses, and students will also learn how the production of viral components, their assembly, and release to attack the healthy cells. A special emphasis will be given to the routes of transmission by which viruses can spread and sustain within the environment through insects and animals. Intraspecies as well as interspecies transmission of viruses will be studied to understand how epidemics and pandemics are caused by viruses. Keeping in view the pandemic scenario, students will be encouraged to learn about different types of vaccines and their mechanisms of actions. Vaccines' mode of administration and their production technologies will be compared to learn the concepts of immunity to natural infections. This updated knowledge will enhance the understanding of the students that how vaccines prevent diseases. Captivating classroom with brilliant engagement strategies for perfect learning of the students is the beauty of this course. A variety of in-person and friendly, competitive, game-based platforms will enable students to learn, understand, and retain the updated knowledge. Practice sessions on these platforms like Kahoot, quizzes, and Moodle will enhance the capability of the students to be more conceptual and perform better in their exam. I believe that we are going to learn and enjoy this course together. So remember, by love, serve one another. Thank you very much.